Okay. I'm back. I'm gonna put it right here, don't mind. Okay, so I'm unboxing this right now. I'm gonna show you all the cover of it. It's so cute. I got it for Christmas. If y'all didn't see my other video, I'm gonna be posting these at the exact same time. So go make sure to like and subscribe at this one, and the other one. Okay, let's go. Because I just did my skincare in my other video. So let's go. If it's on my intro, let's go. Okay, so this is the front cover. Like I said in the intro, I got it for freaking Christmas.
Sugar boom boom.
I'm doing an unboxing of this.
Oh, okay.
Because I haven't used any of this except my body wash that I'm going to use tonight.
Are you going to use it right now?
No, I'm taking a shower after this. Not right now, though. Yeah. This one I need to use before my game today. Not today, tomorrow. They're all the warm vanilla sugar. This is Fine Fragment Mist perfume that I love. You can stop it to look at the. No, I was getting up time. You don't stop it. And here's my body lotion that I've never used before. I think I've used it once, but only once, and I've never used this. So yeah, that's my unboxing video. I'm not trying to like be rude or anything, but I'm just super tired and I want to go take a shower tonight and then wake up in the morning and feel fresh. Why just put the freaking on my face? Comment down below how I can get body scrub out. Okay, because I mean I know I have a feeling I can get it out though. That's why I'm going there tomorrow after my basketball game. But still, here's my unboxing. I'll just take that out. Here's my unboxing video. Peace. Oh yeah, I got that from Harbor. Peace. Bye. Go to my next one in the morning to see me fill out my journal. Okay. Bye.